Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Today we are going to draw a 3D drawing with the heart which is floating in a pit. Let's first draw this rectangle and keep in mind that you are keeping the good enough border from the edges of the paper. Just stay tuned and draw along with me. I know that 3D drawings they look quite boring in the initial phase unless and until we are able to see it. Time to draw a heart which will be the floating one in our 3D drawing. Make sure that our heart it is intersecting all these three lines so that it will give us the beautiful optical illusion that it is floating. And parallelly, if you see, we are drawing another heart which will be nothing but the shadow of our heart object. Okay, it's time to give the shadow depth to all these 2D lines. Make sure to darken the shadow at the end of the pit and the border of the heart. I'm giving the 3D effect to this heart as well by providing the additional width, the height to this heart. I really hope that you are enjoying this video so far. If the answer is yes, please like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to mention your amazing ideas in the comment section what I should draw next. The most relaxing part is here, the smudge. Do you see how relaxing it feels? Okay, it was taking quite some time using the blender. That's why I just took help of the tissue paper and my finger. It is always very reliable to stay on this if the part is too big for the smudge. Let's come to the best part, which is drawing the shadow part of our heart. Make sure you're first drawing the border of the shadow and fill it very lightly. After this, let's draw one more smaller heart but little darker shade. I am with you guys. I know it's not looking very pleasing to the eyes right now, but trust me, trust the process. Once you blend this heart, once you blend the shadow part, whatever you have created and draw the beautiful lines throughout the paper, it is going to look amazing. Okay, we have come to the stage of boring yet very satisfying step, which is drawing the lines throughout the paper. You can use the tissue in this manner so that you won't be getting your hand dark with this shading, and again there is a risk of getting that shade from your hand to the other bright area of the paper. It's important to draw the lines on this particular wall as well, otherwise it will not be able to give the depth to the drawing. just final few touches in this drawing, and then we are done with this beautiful 3D drawing. I think it's about the time to reveal the perfect angle to see it as 3D. Let's wait for that moment. Do you see it? And I was so excited that I rolled the pen so many times. So here is the extra blooper for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos.